Tackle tough tasks with the CRAFTSMAN 7-amp 1/2-inch hammer drill. This hammer drill features a 7-amp motor that provides the power needed to drill through wood and masonry quickly, as well as a 1/2-inch key-eyed chuck for improved bit retention. An additional side handle provides more control in heavy applications, and a variable speed lock-on trigger is great for prolonged use. At the end of the job, it can be stored conveniently within reach. Whatever task you take on, complete it with ease using the CRAFTSMAN 7-amp 1/2-inch hammer drill. CRAFTSMAN, we build pride.
Introducing the GALAX Pro 5-amp hammer drill. Features two function modes, drilling and impact drilling. The anti-slip handle can be rotated by 360 degrees for comfortable drilling. It is an anti-slip assisting handle that can be rotated by 365 degrees for comfortable drilling. The depth gauge can assist in making drilling more precise. The powerful variable speed drill has a 1/2-inch metal chuck and a speed of up to 3000 RPM for wood, steel or masonry applications. GALAX Pro, power to change your life.